The items we're going to need today are a mixing bowl with a spoon, some patty cases, some little plastic dinosaurs, you can get these at Kmart, vegetable oil, bicarb soda, citric acid, a measuring cup, and some blue food dye. First, we're going to measure half a cup of bicarb soda into the measuring cup, and we'll pour that into the mixing bowl. Then we're going to get our tablespoon and add 2 tablespoons of citric acid, and we'll mix that into the bicarb soda. Then we'll get our vegetable oil and we'll just add 3 teaspoons of that in. 1, 2, 3. And we'll mix that all around and see what type of consistency we have. So this is a little bit dry. I'm going to add 2 more teaspoons of the vegetable oil in here. If it was a bit wet, you could add a little bit more bicarb, but mine was a bit dry, so we'll add a little bit more vegetable oil and we'll give that a good mix around. That's looking good now, so what I will do is add a couple of drops of the food colouring. I've chose blue food dye. And just be careful not to get that everywhere. And we'll mix that all around and that'll turn our mixture into a beautiful blue colour. Now it looks a little bit like sand consistency, so I'm going to scoop it up with the spoon and I'm going to form it in my hand. I'm just doing like half an egg shape, and then we're going to put the little dinosaur in the middle there. So he's going to be in the middle of an egg, and then I'll scoop some more mixture up and form a little egg around him, compacting it with my hand and forming it as I go into an oval egg shape. Trying to use all that mixture up. It's easy to form. Just shape it into an oval best we can. Looks something like that. And then I'm going to place it in the patty case and we'll leave that for 24 hours so that hardens up. Gives that bicarb enough time to harden up. Here we are, it's been resting for 24 hours. Now what I'm going to do is put our hatchling into a bowl. Now you could use water here, or put it in the bath, put it in the sink. I've just got it in a bowl. You could use water, that's perfectly fine. Just to have a bit of a reaction there, I'm actually using white vinegar. So now I'm pouring some vinegar onto the egg, onto the hatchling, and you can see that chemical reaction there with the vinegar and the bicarb soda. Makes a fizzy, bubbling consistency. And we'll just have a look what happens. You can see it slowly starting to eat away at the egg. As time goes past, it eats a little bit more away, and I can just see a little bit of a tail, a little bit of a dinosaur out the bottom there. Let's see if we can find our little hidden dinosaur. You can see the mixture's gone a little bit darker blue as time goes on. But let's have a look and see if we can find that dinosaur hiding in there. There's the top of the egg that's fallen away. And there's our dinosaur. So you could see how long that takes for him to come out. But our dinosaur has now hatched from our egg.